Yeah, morning, guys. Just checking in here. Update on these dollar trades. See how they're doing. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if we come back to this local level formed yesterday. Um, this was a local level of people selling uh, a little bit too much on the 1 minute. So what happened? We zoom in here. We don't really care about this, but it's a story within the story, within the playground. And this can and may allow for another entry here to then come finally back to the balance for euro. You see, these guys, it's not going to be easy. If we are going to take out the high in pound, they're not going to let it happen easy. So since we're there, we're going to take one, a little late for this video, but at least we'll have that New Zealand. We don't like two overlapping. All right, so we're happy with that. That one, we're happy with that. Remember, we got a long way to go, but technically we're at that target where we're allowed to take profit. So that's what we're doing. Let's look at Aussie at the same time. That's here. And what was the difference yesterday? Same kind of deal. What notice how OMG, the leader, it just went straight off while the others dipped in there, and that is showing us that OMG is still strong. What are the ones with pound? Oh, yeah. We'll look at the indexes quickly. New Zealand, it got a little bit too long last night, so we'll come back to that. Only on 1 minute. I think dollar just suggested locally that they got a little bit too short. Yes, it did. So we'll draw those in. It was right up here. Which means that this level can now balance again, and then they can come here and this one. So I'm probably seeing maybe chop for another day here until we can finally take profit on these original euros. Maybe they'll do it all today, I don't know. But it seems kind of slow, the energy right now. Even though this is a decent move, I kind of feel it's a little bit slow. What else is there? Oh, pound. Where are we on pound? Okay, great. So pound has exceeded the level. Excellent. And we'll hold these really until once we start seeing euro get there and the rest are higher, then we'll look to close out the rest of these. Anyone else? Let's see the other crypto ones. Oh, that's interesting. That is interesting. While XMR was showing us strong strength yesterday. Oh, sorry, it's here. It was on the 4th. So if in doubt of the exact time, just put it right in the middle of it, like we know at the very beginning the exact time. It was 3 p.m. on the 4th, 1500 MT4 time. So instead of zooming in and doing all of that, we don't really need to. It's just we're looking for the average because it's all balance. Zcash. Same again here. And BTC still has to come back. Oh, well, it's been there. Now, during this time, we've got to take a note of a few things. See, look, they went a little bit short here. Retail did. And this move, is still playing out up here. So yeah, we've still got more juice in it, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we won't go here and then down again. And crypto is looking like here. Look at the same time frame. On a large time frame, that is turning into a sell on a 1 hour. Yeah. That's what that is. But relative to the dollar, crypto has moved up more than dollar. So if you were to buy crypto versus the dollar there, when crypto's already gone up, it's got less to go up than dollar has. And if we were wrong and so if crypto went up, yeah, it's got less room to go up than dollar, because if dollar goes up, then it's got more room to go up to catch up with crypto. And if crypto goes down, well, dollar's already down more than crypto, which means that crypto has more room to go down than dollar. So we want to be looking to exit these soon, the crypto ones. But we're going to let this play out first, and then we'll take them the other way. But that'll be like a weekend trade or something. All right. Pound is still on its way. Oops. And New Zealand and Aussie look like so. So collectively, Aussie is too long still. So a Aussie New Zealand short would be good, but we're not really going to do that, as we haven't drawn out the Aussie and the New Zealand models separately. All right. Weekly, still looking at selling Swiss. On that note, USD weekly looks like it needs to come down. Second here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whew. Sorry, yeah. Well, that will have to play out what we just discussed, but then this will also have to play out. And as you can see, well, we see a very different story. We see, I mean, it says it right there. That's that. All right. Well, that's very good. That's very good for us. But we have to wait for that hourly to come back, so it's going to take a while. But we're going up here, guys. Ooh, look at this pound. Wow. And we will draw a big thick green line there as on the thickest possible one to highlight that it is a higher time frame trade. Okay. This is not good there. It's here. But again, you'd have to go through all the weekly individual charts, draw out the balance line, and find the story. New Zealand weekly looks like this. Okay, nothing really there for us. And Swiss and yen. Swiss down, obviously. And LFX would be we just wouldn't do Swiss LFX. There's not enough in it. But yeah, and obviously a pound long JPY is not a good trade. Sorry, Swiss, right? You can see it right there. And with pound long and Swiss and yen is like kind of in the middle. If we were to do any pound yens, they would be long on a weekly, but I just wouldn't do them. I think I'll stay away from those yens. It's better to work on the Swiss. Yeah. And I think that's it. Did we want to look at the news today? Let's look at the news, see what's going to happen. Let's do that real quick. Sorry, this video is taking a while. And there's one more thing I just wanted to look at here. Wherever it's gone. Where is it? OMG. Alright. What it did, that's the level we're talking about. But yesterday it did not hit that again. It didn't need to because it balanced here. Remember, this is ahead of everything else. So if this balances on the top and then there's other ones that balance on the bottom, we're looking for more to move to the top. And if they confirm the top, we'll call it top side balance, the others are going to naturally want to do the same thing. So that's what we're looking for. The rest to at least do a balance on the top, and then we'll see where we are from there. But we are in the right direction for the long term, so that's why I'm more happy to sit on this than shorts. Here's the news. So it's Thursday today. Monday, pound. Right, so that was the excuse for the move that we said was going to happen in pound anyway. And then tomorrow, well, continuation, I imagine. And then we'll do a video before this tomorrow, I think. Yeah. All right. Anyway, that's the video. Cheers, guys.